Hi, I'm Brian Marangi from Sandy Hook Yachts, and this is the 2024 288 Commander by Seafox. Come aboard. The 288 Commander comes equipped with twin 300 Yamaha 4-stroke outboards. You have your dive door right here. And then you have your aquarium live well. You can see what you caught right in here. The entryway to the boat folds up for a comfortable seat or bucket storage. The captain chairs on the 288 fold up for extra sight when you're underway. You got your twin Garmin screens right here with your cell phone charger, and we have digital throttles. The 288 Commander comes with an oversized T-top with 7 rod holders and then the rocket launcher. The bow shade that comes with the 288 Commander gives you plenty of shade from the sun. The 288 Commander really is a perfect family boat and an absolute fishing machine. So thank you for watching the walkthrough of the 288 Commander. Please reach out to me, Brian Marangi at Sandy Hook Yachts. I'll get you that perfect deal.